So I made about $500 in 30 minutes off my phone. And before you jump and say it's a scam, hear me out, because I thought it was a scam at first. You're going to go to the App Store and download Acorns. So this is exactly how the app looks in the App Store. Once the app is downloaded, you're going to go through the instructions of creating an account with them. It should take maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. But this is the crazy part. Acorns is willing to pay you $575 just to invite 3 people to their platform. 3 friends, 3 cousins, 3 aunts, 3 siblings, who cares? But the real question is, why is Acorns willing to pay you that much money just to invite people to their platform? It has to be some type of catch. Because right now the stock market is so hot and companies are competing for people to use their platforms to invest. Acorns is an investing platform. All you have to do is deposit $5 for your investment with Acorns, and then they will do all the investing for you. If you want to make even more money, use the link in my bio. Acorns will pay you $5 for signing up as well.